In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit Shopify order confirmation email. To get started, head over to Shopify and access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left-hand navigation menu and scroll down until you find Settings. Click on Settings to open the Store Settings page. Inside the Settings section, locate Notifications and select it. This area contains all of the automated notifications that Shopify sends to customers and store administrators. After opening Notifications, scroll to the Customer Notifications section. Here you'll see a list of different customer emails that can be customized. Find the order confirmation notification and click on it to open the editing options. Once you're inside the order confirmation notification settings, you'll be able to customize the email. Shopify provides two different ways to make changes depending on how you want to edit the notification. The first option is to use the built-in editor. If you want to make direct changes to the message, you can edit the email subject and the email body from this screen. Review the existing content and make any adjustments you want. You can modify the wording, add new text, remove sections, or update the content as needed. Continue reviewing the email and make any changes you would like to the subject line and message content. The built-in editor allows you to update the text directly without opening the code. If you need additional customization, look for the Edit Code option and click on it. This will open the notification template code. From here, you can make changes directly within the template. Review the template and make any edits you need. If you want to adjust the structure of the email, update sections of the template, add images, or modify styling elements, you can do so from this area. Carefully review any changes you make before moving on. Continue editing until the notification appears the way you want it to. Once you've completed your edits, locate the Save button. Click Save to apply the changes to your order confirmation email. Make sure the save process finishes successfully before leaving the page. After saving, your updated order confirmation email will be active. Any future order confirmation notifications sent from your Shopify store will use the changes you have just made. If you ever want to make additional updates, simply return to Settings, open Notifications, select Order Confirmation, and make further changes using either the built-in editor or the Edit Code option. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can successfully edit your Shopify order confirmation email and update it whenever needed. Thank you for watching F.